Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create a profit center. So to create a profit center, you need to go transaction code KE51, then press enter. Enter your profit center code here, then press enter. Enter description here. I am creating this profit center for the Pune location. Then click on person responsible here. Then select profit center group. Then go to indicator. You can use this lock indicator if you want to lock this profit center in future. Then go to company codes here tab. So you can see here I have created only one company code in this controlling area, so only one data is coming. If you have like multiple company codes, then you can select the company code as per the required details. Go to basic data again here. Click on save as inactive. You can see the message here, the profit center 7002 saved here in inactive status. Then click on continue and click here activate. Now you can see your profit center is created. You can check this profit center here also, like go to master data. Go to your profit center. You can check here display, press enter. You see here the all details which you have entered previously. And then if you want to change any details here, then select change. It's a transaction code KE52 for change, KE53 for display. And here you can update required changes here in the editable fields. Then again you have to press save. You can check the hierarchy also. Go to display here. You can see here the two profit center. Recently I have created 7002. So by this way you can create profit center and validate profit center in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.